So how to make most of this course, and this is pretty important, and you need to have a concise plan, like how to go about this course, and this is what I have listed here. The very first thing is like this is all about mastery chat gpt and other ai tools, right? So it is pretty important to know that it is somewhere around 22 plus hours of video, which is more than 300, and number of videos which are still counting, because this course is going to be updated on monthly basis with new things which is happening in the ai world, be it any topic, if it is happening into that ai, so that particular tool I will be adding into this particular context itself. And that's why this course is going to be limitless in a way, like every month you will be getting to know some or new announcements wherein you will get to learn a lot of things. So it's like a one time investment for you guys as well. But for any of that case, like let's say even if you are buying, right, unless you have a clear and concise plan to go about this course, it won't be a success story for you, right? So let's talk about how to maintain this consistency and how to create the learning goals. First of all, it all start with setting clear learning goals, with setting these goals first of all, and where you will learn how to achieve by the end of this course. That means like you have already that agenda set what you are going to achieve by the end of this course, whether it's mastering chat gpt, learning about ai applications in your industry, or gaining new skills. Having clear objective will guide you in your learning path, which is pretty nice to have, right? So this idea you need to have clearly set in your mind. Then be consistent. Basically consistency is the key, and it always goes like this: make a study schedule that works out for you and stick to it, and allocate dedicated time each week to go through the course materials and practice and engage in discussions. In this case, mostly everything is in chat gpt web interface and other ai tools, where you will be see me typing prompts and asking the questions which is generally you can have, whether it's for content creation or campaigning or ads or for anything, or even solving codes, or even debugging the problem statement, be it any field, right? You are from any of the field, like how you apply this particular knowledge, it entirely depends on the fact like how you are consistent. Engage actively, participate actively in discussion and activities. Let's say in case if you have any confusion, so don't be shy about asking questions or sharing your insights, like what is your learning insight, and that way you will engage more effectively with me, and you can obviously ask on that channel right itself, in the discussion section itself. Hands-on practice, obviously, while watching me delivering the content. Open your own chat gpt window, go ahead and start trying the things out on your own, right? So that way at least you will understand how to master this tool, how to by practicing it, right? So try different scenarios and experiment with what you have learned, and give it chat gpt, try to challenge it, it's to maximum its capacity. So at least you will also get to know like what are the edge cases for that. Join the community, when I say is like we already have this discussion forum which is going where that course is hosted. You can just ask me any questions in case you have any. Then we also stay updated is pretty is going to be pretty consistent, because the thing is, as I say, like this ai field is pretty dynamic, and the new developments happening all the time, almost on daily basis. So stay updated with course announcement, and as I will be adding more content regularly on this, right? So this is not going to be like the scene with other courses happens, like once in a year or once twice in a year it's going to be updated, as in when new additions or new frameworks for that particular course is getting added. But in this segment it's like it's almost on daily basis. So what I'm just planning is like to at least release one update every month, so that you will be know like what is the new feature added into this particular course this month. So that way you will be also stay updated with all the latest happenings, whether it's on the chat gpt ground or any other tool ground which is related with chat gpt or other ai tools. This is getting added. So use additional resources in addition to the course material. Explore additional resources like articles, books related to AI in ChatGPT. This will deepen your knowledge beyond the course and can be immensely rewarding, right? And the best way is to utilize this in your office work, or let's say in your day-to-day activity, where you can reduce the time of your usual things, because this is the stuff like AI is the assistant, right, for you, right? So you can just think like you are delegating your work to AI assistant, and that's how you are reducing your own time and getting benefited. And the other bits which is important here: collaborate and network. So connect with your peers, collaborate on projects, share ideas, and build your professional network. In which case, let's say you share ideas like what prompt you have tried in this particular problem statement, how you have solved this particular problem statement, and what are the different prompt chaining techniques which you have applied, and how many such prompts it required to come up to that finished product. So these things might engage into that community with the peers itself, in case let's say you are having subordinates or in your office co-workers. So these things might lead to a pretty potential solution which will be rewarding for everyone. Don't fear challenges, of course, right? So AI can be complex, but don't let challenges deter you, right? So I would rather say that you go ahead and challenge ChatGPT with a set of prompts which can be beyond its capacity, which almost you can think of anything, and this is nice to see, right? In case if you come of such a prompt wherein you see that you are challenging ChatGPT, so do post this into discussion forum, as I like to also know that, and what is that outcome of that, and then we can certainly try about that. Let's see how we can go about that. Of course, in the end, reflect and apply. Finally, reflect on what you have learned and how you can apply it in your personal and professional life. This is it. Chat gpt means, as I said, like it's reducing the time of your daily needs, whether it's a personal or professional life, and you are saving the time, and you can spend that particular time with your, let's say, family time, or going outing and doing something else, right? So this is the true value of this course, lies in how you use this knowledge to create, innovate, and solve real world problems. And gist of this is like, how do you save time effectively itself. So I hope you have liked this particular discussion, and you will enjoy this entire thread of this chat gpt course, which is going to be from the second section itself, where you will be having complete hands on each and every aspect of that.